The return of the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner is more than just another car launch. It's a revival of an American legend that defined muscle car culture. For decades, the Road Runner symbolized raw power, bold design, and unapologetic performance. Now, with its 2026 comeback, Plymouth has crafted a car that bridges heritage and modern innovation. In a world filled with futuristic EVs and high-tech supercars, the Road Runner manages to stand apart by delivering an intoxicating mix of retro-inspired styling, cutting-edge engineering, and heart-pounding performance. Car lovers worldwide have been waiting for a machine like this, one that honors the golden age of muscle cars while thriving in today's demanding automotive landscape. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner demands attention. Its muscular stance, wide track, and aerodynamic curves make it look aggressive and refined at the same time. Designers have kept the spirit of the original Road Runner alive with sharp body lines, a long sculpted hood, and a sleek fastback silhouette that screams speed even while standing still. The front fascia features a bold grille with a modern interpretation of the classic Plymouth emblem, flanked by razor-thin LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The rear is equally striking, with a dynamic taillight bar that spans the width of the car, integrated with an active spoiler that enhances downforce at high speeds. In terms of size, the car balances between a grand tourer and a muscle coupe, offering road presence without compromising agility. The wheel options start from 19-inch forged alloys up to 21-inch performance wheels wrapped in ultra-low-profile performance tires, giving the Road Runner both grip and attitude. Aerodynamics play a huge role, with active air intakes, a vented hood, and side skirts that channel airflow efficiently, reducing drag and increasing stability. Plymouth offers the Road Runner in a wide spectrum of colors, from nostalgic shades like plum crazy purple and HEMI orange to modern metallic finishes such as midnight black pearl and storm silver. Premium details such as chrome accents, carbon fiber inserts, and optional racing stripes add even more character for enthusiasts who crave individuality. Step inside the Road Runner, and it becomes clear that this isn't just a muscle car, it's a modern luxury sports machine. The interior combines premium craftsmanship with advanced technology, ensuring comfort on both long drives and high-speed runs. Seating is wrapped in fine Napa leather and Alcantara, with options for carbon fiber-backed sport seats for those who want maximum performance support. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital 15-inch customizable instrument cluster paired with a massive 13-inch infotainment touchscreen running the latest Uconnect system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air updates ensure that the Road Runner remains as future-proof as possible. Cabin space is generous for a coupe of its class, with clever storage solutions and rear seating that, while compact, is more practical than most sports cars. Material quality rivals, luxury brands with soft touch surfaces, brushed aluminum details, and customizable interior trims ranging from wood to carbon fiber. Comfort features such as multi-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a premium 18-speaker Harman Kardon audio system create a driving environment that feels both sporty and indulgent. But the true soul of the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner lies under the hood. Plymouth offers multiple powertrain options to satisfy a wide range of enthusiasts. The entry-level model features a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing around 420 horsepower, offering a balance of power and efficiency. The mid-range variant comes with a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 pushing 550 horsepower, delivering the classic muscle car roar that fans have been craving. At the top of the lineup sits the flagship 6.4-liter supercharged HEMI V8, cranking out an astonishing 720 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful muscle cars on the road today. Performance numbers are equally thrilling. The supercharged variant rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed approaching 320 km/h. An advanced 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while an optional 6-speed manual caters to purists who still love rowing their own gears. Handling has been fine-tuned with adaptive suspension, magnetic ride control, and torque vectoring, making the Road Runner surprisingly agile for its size. Fuel efficiency, while not the primary focus, has been improved with cylinder deactivation technology and mild hybrid assistance in some trims, giving respectable mileage compared to older muscle cars. Technology is another area where the 2026 Road Runner shines. Beyond its infotainment system, the car integrates advanced driver assistance and smart features. A head-up display projects key information directly onto the windshield, while AI-powered voice control allows drivers to operate systems hands-free. Safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. Future-ready tools, such as semi-autonomous driving modes and automatic parking assistance, ensure the Road Runner competes not only with traditional muscle cars, but also with modern luxury sports coupes. Safety has been engineered to the highest standards. The car comes with a full suite of airbags, reinforced crumple zones, advanced stability control, and Brembo high-performance braking systems for precise stopping power. Crash test ratings are expected to be among the best in its class, thanks to Plymouth's use of ultra-high-strength steel and lightweight composites in its structure. Sensors and driver aid systems further reduce accident risks, making the Road Runner both thrilling and safe to drive. Variants and trims are tailored to different audiences. The base Road Runner Sport focuses on affordability with the turbocharged 6-cylinder engine. The Road Runner GT brings the V8 experience with added luxury features. The Road Runner SRT takes performance to the next level with track-focused tuning, while the limited Road Runner Superbird Edition pays homage to the iconic racing model, complete with retro-inspired styling and unique performance upgrades. Pricing is expected to start around $55,000 in the U.S., rising to nearly $95,000 for the fully loaded Superbird. In Europe and Asia, pricing will vary depending on import costs, while Middle Eastern markets are expected to receive exclusive, high-performance trims due to strong demand. When comparing to competitors, the 2026 Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang Dark Horse, and Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 come to mind. The Challenger is a brute with power but lacks the modern refinement and technology that the Road Runner offers. The Mustang Dark Horse is sharp and athletic, but doesn't deliver the same retro appeal or the supercharged punch of the Plymouth. The Camaro ZL1 is close in performance, yet the Road Runner distinguishes itself with its heritage-inspired design and broader range of trims. Of course, no car is without flaws. The pros of the 2026 Road Runner include its breathtaking design, multiple engine options, thrilling performance, advanced technology, and rich heritage appeal. Cons might include limited rear passenger space, higher fuel consumption in the V8 trims, and premium pricing at the top end. The target audience for the Road Runner is diverse: muscle car enthusiasts craving nostalgia, performance lovers seeking raw speed, and younger buyers attracted to modern tech combined with heritage styling. Global demand is expected to be strong, especially in North America, the Middle East, and parts of Europe, where muscle cars have always enjoyed a loyal following. In conclusion, the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner isn't just another revival of a classic nameplate. It's a statement that muscle cars are alive, evolving, and still thrilling. By blending retro-inspired styling with cutting-edge performance, luxurious interiors, and futuristic technology, Plymouth has crafted a machine that excites the senses and honors its legendary past. It's bold, it's fast, it's smart, and it has all the right ingredients to become one of the most celebrated cars of this decade. For car lovers, collectors, and performance seekers, the Road Runner isn't just a car. It's an experience, and it may well be one of the best cars In today's market,